In the composition I set this resolution. For this fragment, I used freeze frame. Create text. I will print 91. Choose any font, and set any size.
I'm just calling to say
Placing text in the center. Right-click on the layer with text, select Create, and then create shapes from text. Click on the shape layer, select Rectangle tool, disable Fill. And leave only stroke. Turn on the layer with the text. Pre-compose text. Looking for the Sc6ut stripes effect. Stop the video to rewrite the values. Looking for a deep glow effect. Exposure set to 0,62. Threshold set 97%. Threshold smooth 31%.
I'm just calling to say
Enabling chromatic aberrations. Amount set to 5%. Setting the keyframe. Moving forward to 5 frames. Set to 1,5%. Expand the tint parameter. Enabling tint. Choose a contrasting color. Choose overlay mode for the best effect. Setting the keyframe. Change the color every 10 frames. Looking for a turbulent displace effect. Amount set to 24. Set the offset value at your discretion. Duplicate the composition with the text. Moving the composition to the timeline. Copying deep glow and turbulent displace. Paste it into the composition. Turning off the text layer. Repeat after me. Let's double the duration of composition. Moving the composition to the left. Increasing the duration of the text and stroke. I also added Sc6ut stripes to the main fragment. For the bubble composition, set the difference mode. Scaling the composition. Add other effects.